If you are working and you're not keeping money, that's a big problem. To work so that you can rest later, not that you work and till you die. Don't be like our parents that after retirement at 60, that's when they know they want to start a business. Most of the business they started, most of them do not survive. If we want to do things smarter this time around, at least for our sake and for the sake of our future, so that we can even work and rest, we are on the understanding of investments and types of risks that are associated with different investments. You have to understand what investment is and ensure that you know what you are doing with investment. Don't go and do Ponzi scheme and think it's investment. Don't be like me that went to do Ponzi scheme that I thought it was investment and lost all my money. Also, you need to understand that there are different levels of risks assigned to attached to every investment. For example, we have low risk investments, we have high risk investments, we have medium risk investments. And these risks are associated with different factors. My name is Victory. Welcome to my channel. This is a disclaimer. I am not a financial expert, but these are the lessons that I've applied to my life. And I've told my friends and they've done it themselves too. The reason I'm starting this channel is because instead of me explaining over and over, this channel I'm going to break down everything that I know about finances, investment, and how to go about it. That even a 2-year-old child will understand how to secure their future. So if this is you and you're ready to secure your future, please stick around.